Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss a question which was asked in Myntra SQL interview, and this is again an interesting question, but I feel that it's an easy solve. So let's understand what we have. We have a table. The name of the table, we have actually two tables. The name of the tables is campaign and sales data. Now this two tables have these columns. So campaign has columns: campaign id, campaign start, and campaign end. So campaign table basically tells us like when a certain campaign started and when it ended. And then we have another table, sales data. So sales data has columns: order id, order date, campaign id, and customer id. So this table basically stores information regarding the sales. Now let's write code to, let's get data from both of these tables. So the name of the table is campaign. Okay, I think there I will have to create these tables. So these are the create commands over here. Okay, so these are the tables. Okay, so I will write select star from campaign. So this is my table, campaign table. So there are three campaigns: ABC, PQR, XYZ. I also have the table sales data. So I will write sales data. And this table has columns: order ID, order date, when the order happened, which campaign it belongs to, and the customer ID. Okay. So now let's solve this question. So what we want here is, for each customer ID, we want the number of times they have shopped within that campaign. So if I am, suppose the customer ID for me is 101, then, and like for in ABC I have shopped twice, in PQR I have shopped thrice, and for XYZ I have shopped once. So this is what my output will look like. So I hope you understood the question. And since it's an easy solve, I would suggest you to pause the video and give this a shot. I hope you have already done that. So let's discuss the question. Now I'll create now what I'll do, first thing is I will join the tables. I will get all the records. Okay, so this would be CT1. And then in the final query I will just group it by customer and get the number of orders for each of these campaigns by using case statements. I think it's really easy, so yeah, let's just jump into the solution. Now select star from sales data, join campaign, and the alias for these tables is S and C. So I'll say S dot campaign ID is equal to C dot campaign ID, because that's the only column which is common in both of these tables. Okay, now the first step is done. We have all the records, like we have joined both of these tables. Now what I'll say that I want the customers which, so let me call this as with CTE 1 as, or maybe I can also solve this without using a CTE. Let's try that. So I want the customer, I want the count of customers. I want, for each customer I want the count of orders under each of these campaigns. So I will say customer ID. Okay. And case when. So when campaign ID is, so when campaign name We know there are 3 campaigns only, so that's why campaign name. But don't you think that this is going to be a very static solution, because we know that there are 3 campaigns? Okay, let me write the code for it. When campaign name is ABC, we can solve it in a better way also. So campaign name is equal to ABC. Then I want the order ID, okay, for this particular customer, and end as campaign as ABC. This will be called as ABC. Okay, makes sense. Now I will do the same thing for all the campaigns for PQR and XYZ. This I will write for PQR, and this would be for XYZ. Okay, this is PQR and this would be XYZ. Now I'm going to count these values. Now I want to count the order IDs. Else null. Okay, so here also count. So for every customer, what I'm doing, I'm getting the number of orders they have placed under each of these campaigns. But here I have made a mistake. I forgot group by, so I'll use group by 1. Near ABC, I think. Oh, I think, yeah. PQR XYZ. So this is the output that I was looking for, and this is very much our solution. But do you think that this is the unoptimized way of solving this problem? It's not. Do let me know in the comment section if there could be a better way to solve this problem. And the answer, and as a hint, the answer lies in window functions. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and do like the video if you found this content helpful. Until next time, stay tuned.